drug this car home yesterday on the trailer while the wife was at work. Got it in the shop, and she has no idea that it's in here. It is a 1973 Plymouth Duster. It's actually a gold Duster. Unfortunately, it's got a slant 6. 3 on the tree, slant 6. It runs good, but she has no idea I bought it. So let's check out the interior here. It's not terrible. Apparently it's a Fred Flintstone mobile, so I can't even put license plates over that. It's got a hole down there, so some patch panels there. Dash needs to be redone. But really, all in all, the body's not bad. It's not very far away from paint. Got a rust spot there. Trunk full of parts. Body is really in decent shape. Hood sanded down. Whole body sanded down and should be good to go. So it came with some rally wheels. Unfortunately, they don't fit this car, so I'll probably end up selling those and getting something different. I don't know yet. These bumper guards, yeah, those look sweet. Probably not. Probably have to get rid of those. Bumper guards. Yep, those are going bye-bye. So check this out. The original window sticker. $2,645.85. That's pretty cool. Alright, I just told my wife to come down to the shop. I'm going to surprise her. Here she comes.
What is it?
So you remember that car I showed you the other day?
Yeah. Okay.
What do you think?
Well, I didn't know that you were going to buy a vehicle.
No, I know.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Are you?
Yeah. Alright.
So, the bodywork is pretty much done. I mean, it needs a few touch-ups here and there.
Yeah.
So it came with the rims and tires, but they don't fit.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get different tires for it.
Okay.
And different rims.
Okay.
Interior needs a bunch of work. Needs some floor panels. It runs and drives.
Okay.
Unfortunately, it's got a slant 6, but it's got a 3-speed on the column. Sander down. Spray it.
Okay.
New tires and wheels.
New upholstery?
New upholstery, new I'm thinking seat covers, new carpet, dash panel, paint the dash. Check this out.
That's the original.
The original window sticker.
Oh my gosh.
So first things first, let's get this bumper off of here so I can get those guards off. Alright, front bumper is off. Looks way better just the way it is. Hood's off. So I was actually able to use these rims that I got. Now this car has a small bolt pattern. They're 14-inch 5-on-4, and I actually ended up getting the wheel adapters. I know some people say they're bad. I don't know. I'm going to try them, see how they work, and go from there. But at least for now, I can use these Rally rims and tires that actually came with a car. So we'll see. Well, she had a little bit more rust in her than I thought, which doesn't surprise me. And prime it up and patch it. Alright, got her all sealed up. Now let that dry and then we'll patch it up. Quick update on the Duster. I got most of the side sanded down, got the top sanded down, trunk sanded down. Got that quarter panel piece fixed. Got the stripes off of it, sanded down. We just found a few little dings here and there. I gotta sand down, and then this side will be done. And this side I started sanding a little bit. Most of the body work's been done on this side, so that'll go pretty quick. Alright, taking a little break from wet sanding here. So this back quarter panel and the driver's door is the only thing left I have to do. So I got this thing backed in here the other day. Got the bumper off, and I backed it in here so I could do the back of this car. So I had a ding right here. I had to weld right across here because that was broken, and I had to do some filler along this back. So it's coming along. Oh, the joys of wet sanding. Alright, the car is primed. It's ready to go. But I need to clean out this shop. I need to make a paint booth in here and get ready for paint. Here's my redneck paint booth that I got set up here. So I just made a little door here with 2 house filters in it. Covered the whole shop with plastic. And I'm going to put this fan in the window for ventilation, which is going to draw air through the filters. And I think it'll work pretty good. I cleaned it out. I will wet the floor before I paint the car. Alright, got the car back in here. I got all the tape and paper off. I'm gonna re-tape, re-paper this whole car. Got myself the paint booth made. I did paint the trunk, which I need to do a little bit of cutting and buffing on. Next video, we're painting this Duster. Oh boy, that's gonna look good.